We have multiplication of polynomials. Let's first check what we have in parentheses. We have n minus 2 and n plus 2, n minus 3 and n plus 3. Because we have multiplication, so we can use commutative property. And I will rewrite our example. And first I will write n minus 2 times n plus 2. Why I do this? Because we have the same terms in the parentheses, now only different sign. And we have n minus 3 and n plus 3. So the last will be n minus 3 times n plus 3. Now, again, we have the same terms, only different sign. So we can use formula when we have a minus b times a plus b, this is equal a square minus b square. This is difference of two perfect squares. In our example, for the first two parentheses, a is equal n and b is equal 2. And for the last two parentheses, n is equal a again, but 3 is equal b now. So we have to just use this formula. And I will open the brackets. So n minus 2 times n plus 2, we can use this form now, or you can do step by step. You can multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. If you combine the like terms, you will get exactly the same what we have here now. It will be n squared minus 2 to second power. And from the last two terms, we will have n squared minus 3 to second power. So this is equal. Now I will change the brackets to parentheses because we don't have any operation in the parentheses which we can do now. Will be n squared minus 4 because 2 to second power is 4, and n squared minus 9. So this is equal. Now we have different terms in the parentheses, so we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So we have n squared times n squared minus 9, and we have negative 4 times n squared minus 9. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. So first we have to distribute n squared over each term in the polynomial. So we have n squared times n squared. Next we have positive times negative. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So positive times negative give me negative. You have n squared times 9. And again, we have to use the distributive law of multiplication. Now we have to distribute negative 4 over each term in the polynomial. So we have negative 4 times n squared, and now we have negative times negative, so give me positive 4 times 9. So this is equal. We have multiplication, the same base, and we copy, and we have to just add exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus, first we will write the number 9, and we have n squared, and we have minus 4n squared, plus 4 times 9 is 36. Now we can combine the like terms. We have negative n squared and negative 9n squared and negative 4n squared. So we have to copy n to fourth power. Both terms are negative, so we keep negative sign, and we have to just add the numbers. 9 plus 4 is 13, and we have to rewrite the variable n squared plus 36. This is my solution.